Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to check whether the given number is a valid perfect square or not. Given a positive integer num, return true if num is a perfect square or false otherwise. A perfect square is an integer that is the square of an integer. In other words, it is the product of some integer with itself. You must not use any built-in library function such as square root. So here they have mentioned I have to check whether the given number is a perfect square or not. Here we should not use the inbuilt method called square root. Okay, and this can be solved with the time complexity of log n. When we are talking about log n, this can be solved with binary search approach. Okay, we'll discuss this logic in detail. Here they have given the input value number 16. 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 into 4, it makes 16. So output is true. Let's take one more example as 14. 14 is not a perfect square because 3.742 into 3.742 you will get the value called 14, and that is not a perfect square because 3.742 is not an integer value. So we have got the output value as false. Now let's discuss this logic in detail on how to find whether the given number is a perfect square or not by using binary search. Okay, so let's take the input value as 9. So I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to take 9 numbers. As we know that binary search starts with first index value and last index value. So I'll take the first index value as yes, the last index value as e. Just start and end. So here what I'm going to do, I'll take a variable start, I'll initialize the value as 1 and end as num value. We have to take a loop saying that start less than or equal to end. I have to go inside the while loop. I have to go inside the while loop. Okay. So now what I have to do? I have to find the mid value. How can I find the mid value? So mid can be calculated as start plus end minus start divided by 2. Okay. End value is 9. Start value is 1. 9 minus 1 which is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So this is my mid value. So we have got my mid value. So the mid value is 5. Now I have to check one condition that if mid into mid equal to num, it is a perfect square. So what I can do? I can return true. So what is my mid value? 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 equal to num? No, condition becomes false. So we have not reached the perfect square yet. So I will go for the next case. So next case what I have to do is I have to check one condition that else if check a condition saying that whether the mid value is less than num divided by mid. So what is my mid value? Mid value is 5. 5 less than num value is 9. 9 divided by 5 we will get the quotient value as 1. 5 less than 1? No. 5 is not less than 1. So I will go to the else part. I will go to the else part. Here what I will be doing? I will be updating the end value. I will be updating the end value. So how can I update the end value? In the sense end equal to mid minus 1. So end is equal to mid minus 1. So this will be my new end. I will close the loop here. Go for the next iteration. Check the condition start less than or equal to n. Start is 1, end is 4. 1 less than or equal to 4, condition true. Find the mid value. So how can I find the mid value? End minus start. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 divided by 2 is 1 plus start value 1. 1 plus 1 2. So the recently we have got the mid value was 2. The mid value is 2. Check the if condition mid into mid equal to num. Mid value is 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 equal to num. No, condition is not true. So I will go inside. I will not go inside this if condition. I will go to the next case. Check the condition mid less than num divided by mid. Mid value is 2. 2 less than num value is 9. 9 divided by 2. I will have the value called 4. So 2 less than 4. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to update the start value as mid plus 1. That's all. So start value will be updated as mid plus 1. Mid value is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is my new start. Now go for the next iteration. Start less than or equal to end. 3 less than or equal to 4. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, I have to find the new mid value. How can I find the new mid value? End minus start. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 divided by 2, 0 plus start value. Start value is 3. So plus 3, the new mid value is 3. Okay. So now check mid into mid equal to num. Mid value is 3. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 equal to 9. Yes, condition is true. Which means the given number 9 is a perfect square, so I'll return the value called true. If the condition becomes false, once after the while loop iteration becomes false, I'll come out of the loop and then I'll return false, saying that the number is not a perfect square. This is the logic of finding whether the given number is a perfect square or not. Let's run the code. And here we have to write the base condition. So if num equal to 1, it is also a perfect square, right? So I'll return true. Okay. Now I'll be taking a variable start equal to 1, comma end equal to now, while start less than or equal to end. So first what I have to do, I have to find the mid value. Mid equal to start plus end minus start divided by 2. Now the base condition is if mid into mid equal to num, it is a perfect square. So I'll return true, saying that the given number is a perfect square. Else, if mid value is less than num divided by mid, the condition is true, I have to update the start value as mid plus 1. Else, update the end value as mid minus 1. That's all. Once the iteration got over, I have to return false, saying that the given number is not a perfect square. Let's run the code now. As it passes the test cases, let's submit the code. As it passes all the test cases. That's all.